jump in?
Yeah, you jumped in. Stop.
Come here, boy. Holy shit, dude. Maverick, come here. What are you doing? Really? Really? Unnecessary. That bait's in the water. It's very dangerous. How do you get over here on this side?
He took a lead.
What are you doing?
It's split more.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait,
Give it a nice good crack. See if you can just
Shoot one right there. Look, you got 1, 2, 3. 3. Make the trifecta.
Let's try make the Triforce.
Pardon?
It's a big ass round.
Yeah!
That was beautiful, man.
I told you, man.
Sick miss, 100. Opa!